Hello, today I'm going to be walking you guys through Property AutoFill, which is a new Email Plus feature that we have created to basically allow you to add your properties from your PMS into email marketing campaigns with a click of a button in seconds, including the name, image, rate, etc., which is going to be really powerful for saving you time, making error-free campaigns, and the like. So the way that you're going to access this is go to the email marketing tool. And right now, Property Autofill is specifically available in the upcoming availability campaign. So I referenced it in another video as well, but the upcoming availability campaign is specifically designed for you to try to solve for any gaps in occupancy over a specific period of time. So say next month you realize that you have a ton of bookings open. Um, occupancy rate is really low, and you're willing to maybe offer a discount or something like that to get more people into your properties. Right here, you're going to open it up and you can see that this email is specifically tailored for that. So offering a limited time deal that they might not want to miss with a code. Again, it's our typical ready to send email builder. So you can have images inserted here, edit any of this text in these boxes, but for property autofill specifically, it's actually going to be this button right here that says import from PMS. So as you can see, this is the featured properties section, which is going to be one of the most important parts of this email, since you're going to want to have properties that are specifically available during the dates that you're trying to fill for. So this is better because you're not going to want to show people properties that have already been booked. That kind of email, maybe will get people over to your direct booking site and they might shop around, but it's much easier for them to book directly here. So you're going to select the number of properties that you want to appear in the email right here. So I'm going to choose 2 properties. And then you're going to go ahead and click import from PMS. Obviously, you need to have your PMS synced. And then here, you're going to see the date range that you're actually looking for. So for this case, I'm looking for properties that have availability between the 12th of January and the 12th of February. And you can actually also stipulate the amount of nights that you want the property to be available. So if you're looking for longer term stays, you can increase this to 4 or 5. If you want something that's available for 5 or more days, or if there's less properties in your portfolio and it doesn't really matter, you can decrease this. You're going to go ahead and click on search properties, and it will automatically crawl through your PMS to see which properties meet these criteria. As you can see right now, based on our testing count, we have 4, and it really is as easy as this. You just select it, has the property name, the address, the available dates, and the price per night. And I said that I would pick 2, so I'm going to continue with these 2 properties. And there it is. Automatically inserted. You know that there's no issues in terms of whether or not these properties are actually available. And it pulls in the imagery from your PMS, the name, and the rates, and the direct booking link. So it automatically sets all of that up for you. You can also add a short description if you'd like. You can add, how large it is, bedrooms, bath, etc. But it does automatically pull all of that information for you. So you're just going to want to make sure that the email is set to your liking. And like all of the other ready to send campaigns, go ahead and click continue down here to move forward. That's it, really. So right now, this feature is only available on the upcoming availability campaign. However, it is going to be available for any ready to send template or campaign that has a featured properties block very, very soon. So right now, this is what it's been designed for, but you will be able to use it in the newsletter template, the promo template, and all of the other templates that are going to be coming out this year. So again, this is an email plus feature specifically. So you need to be a Stay 5 Plus email subscriber, but we really do feel that it's going to save you a ton of time. It makes sure that all of the details are up to date, correct, eliminates the risk for having any outdated information. This is also really scalable for large portfolios, so it's easier to kind of efficiently manage multiple properties without the hassle of manually adding every single one and making sure that they're correct, they're available. It saves a ton of time on that end. Great for seasonal trends. So If there's like a dead period or something like that that you need to specifically solve for, you can use it for that. And ultimately, it just helps you increase bookings and get more money. So, very simple tool, but was quite complicated to make. So, we hope that it is of great use to you guys. We've made it quite easy and approachable to start. So, thank you for watching, and happy email marketing.